Hi guys, welcome back to our social space. Whether you're watching us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, we're really happy to have you here. So let's create another delicious recipe. Here I have some prawns which is already deveined, and I'm going in with my favorite cupboard spices. As always, you can use any spices of your choice, not necessarily the ones that I use in this recipe. So we're going to go straight ahead and cut a onion and a red bell pepper. And while I'm doing this, this is a good time to get to know you. Where are you watching us from and how did you come across our videos? And kindly tell us in the comment section below which is your favorite recipe so far. And also, if you have tried any of our recipe, we'd really love to know how yours turn out. So at this time, I'll be grating some garlic and ginger. And today's shout out is going to Tommy Tokpe Enora. She's always here watching our content and really love our recipes. So very big shout out to you, Tommy Tokpe. Thank you for watching our videos and for sharing. So after I season the prawns, I go ahead and I cut some cauliflower and broccoli. And you can cut them up into small florets as I will be blending them. And this is a really healthy, delicious meal, one for the whole family, and guys, you won't regret making this. So here's our broccoli and cauliflower couscous. Can you see that? So now we're going to be starting on the prawns. So in a pan we had about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and then we're going to fry our prawns on both sides, approximately 3 minutes on each side. I wake up in the morning, the sun shines on my face. This would be a very good time to share our videos to your friends and family and invite them to come and watch along, and also invite them to subscribe to our channels. After frying the prawns, we take them out and put them aside. I'm thinking of you. And in the same pan, we're going to have that garlic and ginger that we chopped earlier on, and we're going to caramelize it in the oil that's left in the pan. There is no need to add more oil to it, as this is sufficient. After that, we add back the prawns to it and we give it a good mix. Then we add our bell peppers and onions. And here is my own homemade zinging mango sauce. You can order it on my website at www.imcookingandmore.com. We pour our mango sauce, and this mango sauce is very versatile. You can use it in so many different ways. You can use it as a dip, you can use it as a salad dressing, and you can also cook with it. Then we cover and we let it cook for about 3 to 5 more minutes. And then our prawn is ready. So now we're going to put the prawns aside, and then we're going to start on the broccoli and cauliflower couscous. So in a pan we had about 3 to 4 cubes of butter. Then we had our cauliflower and broccoli, and we saute this in the butter to get that nice fragrance. Then we had some black pepper, a bit of salt, and we had a bit of rice wine. And we cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add 1 cup of Mediterranean couscous, which I already cooked, and then combine together. So you can see that this is a very healthy meal. And there you go. Combine it together. Look how fluffy and nice this is looking. Now it's time to plate up and enjoy this plate of yummy goodness. All this recipe and more you will find in my cookbook, and just go ahead on my website and pre-order our cookbook, which is coming very soon. Pre-order so you won't be left out, and for those who order directly from the website, it will be personalized and a special gift will come with it for you. Now it's time to eat together, and as usual, you know me guys, I like to eat with you guys. So here I am. Grab your knife and fork and let's eat together. This was so delicious. And as always, thank you for watching, and please remember to share with your family and friends, and don't forget to check out my Facebook
and the
page, my
feeling
Instagram
full
page,
of
and also my
grace.
TikTok page. Until I
I
come again, this
head
is Am Cooking.
into
Say
the
God bless you and thank you
kitchen
for
as the
watching.
coffee starts to brew, and as the aroma